Thanks for staying with us, and it's now time for the Business Day. Digicel Group has announced a major strategic shift in its operations, including the closure of its media entities Loop News and SportsMax. TVJ News understands that operations at Loop News have come to an immediate halt, while SportsMax TV will wind up operations by August 8. The company says over the past several months, it has continued to strengthen its business offerings, integrating capabilities across ICT services, cyber, cloud, digital media, compliance, and more. The Digicel Group says it is positioning to deliver more value across the region. Trend Media will continue to operate on the Digicel business. The decision closes an 11-year journey with Loop News. The telecommunications company acquired full ownership of the regional sports broadcaster SportsMax and North American broadcaster Scene TV in 2014. Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith and her Barbados counterpart Kerry Simmons will lead a CARICOM review to remove regional trade barriers. It's in response to new U.S. tariffs and calls to boost intra-regional commerce. Intra-regional trade currently accounts for less than 12% of total regional trade. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness said intra-regional trade can increase through stronger policy agreements.
Our response must include deepening engagement with the U.S. administration to advocate for the restoration of preferential access. And I want to assure members of the private sector here that as chairman of our external negotiation mechanism, and Ambassador McCook is the point person, I know that we are meeting with and lobbying with the United States on a regular basis, and that we have engaged the U.S. Trade Representative, and we are working on your behalf to get the best results.
To the stock market now, the JSE index decreased by 80 points today, while the junior market index declined by 3 points. The advances were led by Access Financial Services, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Jetcon Corporation. The losers were led by ISP Finance Services, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Knutsford Express Services, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. 27 stocks traded firm. And foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.05. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.58. The pound is going for $218.98, while the euro is selling for an average $188.07. And that's it for the Business Day. Regional and international stories are next.
The Business Day, brought to you by
Start your